This is sort 35 in the green book. And we are continuing to look at unaccented final syllables. We're looking at ET, IT, and ATE this week. Again, unaccented just means we don't put our emphasis in that part of the word. So if we're looking at like this word, magnet, we don't say magnet or magnet. We say magnet. So we emphasize that sound in the middle more than the end sound. That's what unaccented means. Okay, so let's take a little look at our headings. I'm doing it a little differently this week with the angle of recording. So it's going to be a little tricky to see at first, but at the end I'm going to pause it and you'll be able to see your whole sort. So don't fret if you can't see the exact whole word right away. You can get down what you can and then in the end we'll pause it. Okay, so here we go. We have ET, IT, ATE, and the oddball. So an example of ET is jacket. An example of IT is edit. And an example of AT is climate. And really that's all we're doing is looking at those endings. There's not an exact pattern as to what letters or anything, but I always say to look for some things that are going to help you. What are some patterns that you see? So I have bandit, orbit. Remember to say the words as you're sorting them, students. Magnet, rocket, comet. We're definitely going to run out of space on this side. Comet, habit, quiet, senate, closet, summit, limit, back up a little bit. Racket, ooh, favorite word, pirate, secret, credit. So we can definitely see what most common there is. Target, you're running out of space. Private. I can't see my words. Sorry, students, that was a little wobbly for a second. Unit. Merit. And lastly, we have our two oddballs, which are spelled with an ET, but you don't hear the T in the end. So this is said buffet and ballet. And interestingly, many words that originate from French, like both of those words, will have silent T's because T at the end of the word is not typically a French sound. So they'll say buffet and ballet, that ET makes an A. So yeah, those are oddballs because of the sound. So as you can see, if you had to guess, an ET or an IT ending is much more common than an ATE ending. But as to which ones go where, I mean, it's very, the main thing that I notice is that a lot of these ones are D's and B's right before the IT, which yeah. And then on this side, we have a lot of those letters that don't go below or above the line, like C and S and M. But again, it's not permanent since there's also some G's. So just study, practice reading the words, and look for patterns that you notice to help you remember the difference.